Daily Insights, your guide to wisdom and knowledge. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Join me as we uncover the knowledge in everyday life, transforming the ordinary into extraordinary teachings. Daily Insights aims to spark your inspiration, ignite your curiosity, provide valuable insights, and explore life's most significant questions. Together, let us embark on the path of self discovery and personal growth as we discover the light of wisdom and knowledge around us. Today's message: now, not later. Confronting the silent thief of time. This topic was inspired by my friend, Lady Jessica Nafula Masika, who resides in Kitale, Kenya. Yes, in Africa. Every moment, a silent thief walks among us, invisible yet powerful. This thief doesn't steal your belongings or wealth, it steals something far more precious: your time. I am talking about procrastination. Think about this. How often have we said, I'll do it tomorrow? And weeks, months, and even years have passed before we know it, and tomorrow never came. Procrastination isn't just about delaying a task, it is about postponing our lives, our dreams, our potential. Consider this for a moment. How many of you have a dream, a goal, something you've always wanted to achieve? Now ask yourself, why have you yet to start? Is it fear of failure or perhaps the comfort of the familiar? I want you to understand this. Every moment you delay is a moment you lose. It is a moment that you could have been a step closer towards your aspirations. But why do we procrastinate? Often it is not due to laziness, as some would want you to believe, but because of overwhelm, perfectionism, or maybe fear. These feelings are valid, but they are not your masters. You have the power to confront them, to take control of them. Just imagine what you could accomplish if you started now. Picture yourself having achieved your goals. How does that make you feel? Fulfilled and empowered? Describe how I feel. I challenge you today. Take that first step. It doesn't have to be a giant leap, just a tiny, firm step. Break down your tasks into manageable parts. Set deadlines. And most importantly, hold yourself accountable. I like to share my goals with my friends, family members, or someone who can cheer me on. Remember, the only perfect time to start is now, today, not tomorrow. Procrastination is a thief, and it's time to stop letting it rob you of your future. Ask yourself, what can I do today, however small, to move closer to my goal? As I conclude, I'll leave you with this thought. Time waits for no one. The hours, minutes, and seconds are slipping away. Will you let procrastination steal them? Or will you take charge and use them to create your desired future? The choice, my friends, is yours. Let us make it count. Let us start today, not tomorrow. Until next time on Daily Insights, blessings always.